Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get portal blocks with Command's easy guide. Type the /give command with the correct block ID and count to spawn portal blocks instantly. Use exact coordinates when placing to align portals across worlds. Check your game mode and permissions before running commands to avoid errors. Test in a creative world first to verify results and refine any command parameters confidently and safely. In this video, I will show how to get portal blocks with Command's easy guide. Try /give with a numeric count to get several portal blocks for large constructions. When supported, include NBT or data tags to set custom properties on the blocks before placing. Use /setBlock with exact coordinates to avoid misaligned portals and to preview placements safely in a testing area before committing changes on your main map. In this video, I will show how to get portal blocks with Command's easy guide. If a command returns an error, pause and inspect the exact syntax and permissions before retrying. Confirm the block ID matches your game version and that server plugins are not interfering with commands. Use a creative test world to iterate quickly and keep backups of worlds to restore if something unexpected happens during large edits or batch placements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.